In this video, I'll show you how to get promo codes for Duolingo. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. Going to head on over to Google. Now, inside Google's search bar, I'm going to type in promo codes for Duolingo. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to click on search. And if I scroll down the Google search results here, you can check out different third-party sites and even Reddit. So Reddit's a good spot to get promo codes. You got gatherxp.com, Worth the Penny, Simply Codes, etc. But for this particular site, I'm going to use Worth the Penny, 60% off Duolingo. And now, once you're on the site, you can see today's best offer. These change daily or weekly. So as you can see, you got 60% off Duolingo subscriptions. So you can see some stats. So 100 people have used this with an 89% success rate. So now click onto the offer. And now copy this code here to your clipboard. Now paste that in the checkout section of Duolingo when you're signing up for a subscription there, and enjoy 60% off your subscription.